Hello girls, we are in continuation with the chapter Nutrition in Animals, and in this we have already done ingestion. First step, that is ingestion. What is ingestion? It is simply taking in of the food through mouth, and in mouth we have discussed the teeth, the different kinds of teeth, and we have discussed the tongue. Okay, now the second step which comes under the nutrition is the digestion. Okay, now what do you mean by digestion? This process of digesting the food is called digestion, and it involves many organs. Okay, so collectively all these organs, they are known as digestive system, right? Digestive system contains organs which help in the digestion of food. Under this digestive system, we will go through the different organs. Okay, the first organ is the buccal cavity. What do you mean by buccal cavity? This is a new term for you. Buccal cavity simply means the mouth. Mouth in scientific language is known as buccal cavity. Okay. Now, what is the function of the mouth or the buccal cavity? We know that the food enters into our body through the mouth only, and in the mouth there are teeth present in it. So those teeth, they help in the chewing of the food, right? They help in the chewing of the food, and this process of chewing of the food is called mastication. This is a new term. Please remember it. The process of chewing of the food is known as mastication. Is that clear? Okay. Then what happens? Then when the food is chewed up, then it gets mixed up with saliva, right? Saliva is produced by salivary glands, and these salivary glands, they are present in the throat also, and they are present in the mouth also. They produce an enzyme which is called saliva, which mixes up with the chewed food, and it converts the food into bolus. Okay, what is bolus? Bolus is we can say the simpler kind of the food which has been made by chewing of the food and then mixing of that food with saliva. This bolus is now very soft and it is very easy to get swallowed. Is that clear? Now, what happens then when the bolus is formed? Then the food is in the form of bolus only. The food, it goes from the mouth into the food pipe. Okay, and this food pipe is known as esophagus. It is pronounced as esophagus. Is that clear? Now, what is esophagus? Esophagus, just I told you, it is a food pipe. It is a long muscular tube-like structure, and it is a long muscular food-like structure through which the food passes when after the mouth, and it goes into the esophagus. And this esophagus takes the food into the stomach. Right? And what happens in this esophagus? In esophagus, the muscles are present, and the muscles, they move in the wave kind manner. They move like this. They move in the wave kind manner like this. They keep on moving. And this wave-like movement helps in making the food go down and down till it reaches the stomach. Is that clear? And this wave-like movement, it helps, this movement which helps or which pushes the food down into the stomach, this movement is called peristalsis. What is this called? Peristalsis. This is the wave-like movement of the muscles which are present in the esophagus, which help in pushing down the food from the mouth into the stomach. This is called peristalsis. Is that clear? Now, to make this digestive system more clear, let's study with the help of a diagram. Now, what is this diagram all about? This